1 hour ago, there was a big lizard close to the kitten, but it's not dangerous for them. Yeah, I saw that one in the backyard, but 1 hour ago he was here. He come and eat the food of the cat. Yes. But they are eating, Angelina. Don't worry. I don't have money for buy food for the kitten. I only buy one type food for all of them. Oh, very well, welcome. The white one also comes. Yes, yeah. Maybe it's hard for them now, but they can eat. Yes, Angelina. They are grow up fast. Today they are, thank you. Today they are 58 days old. Sure, I never forgot. We have different time, too much different time. I know. Angelina living in Texas. I think we have about 12 hours different time. What time is it now in your city, Angelina? Oh, 4:40 a.m. Why you didn't sleep until now?